If you have ever been sitting at a train station, a particular lectures, classroom, or in a public area and a person with a stack of papers in his hands comes up to you out of the blue and asks if you have a few minutes to talk, then you have likely been asked to take a part in survey. There are lots of ways to conduct research and collect information, but one way that makes it really easy is by doing a survey. A survey is defined as a brief interview or a discussion with individuals about specific topic. The term survey is unfortunately a little vague, so we need to define it better. The term survey is often used to mean collect information. For instance, you may imagine a researcher or a television scientist saying, "We need to do a survey." So besides our definition above, survey also means to collect information. We have our first definition of brief interview and we have second definition of collecting data. There is a third definition for survey. This third definition of survey is a specific type of survey research like questionnaires, interviews and surveys. So in this video tutorial, we will be learning about how you can create survey using Excel. So let's get started. To add a survey, you can go to this survey button or you can go to this insert menu and select survey and click on to this new survey. But before that, decide that about what you want to create a survey. So let's click on to this add survey button and enter a description and title of your survey. So I'm entering product feedback, tell us about our new lunch package. So I have specified my title and I have also specified some details. Now enter a question here. So when you click on to this enter your first question here, it will pop up new window or new pop-up. So write here your question is price is worthy. No, I don't want to specify my question subtitle. And what are you expecting in response? Select the type of response here. You are expecting text or you are expecting paragraph text, you are expecting number, date, time, yes or no. I am specifying this yes or no. Now specify this field is required or not. Yes, this field is required and default value to yes. Now this question is completed, so I am clicking on to this done button. Now let me specify one more question. So my question would be dessert was good. I'm also specifying it to yes or no and it is also required and done. So my two question is added. Now let me add one more question. Where are you from? This time I am selecting this paragraph text or text, just text, and it is not required and I am clicking on to this done button. And third is give your feedback about lunch. This is as paragraph text and it is required and I am clicking on to this done button. So I have added 4 questions into my survey and now let me save it and let's view that survey. So I am clicking on to this save and view button. So this is my survey looks like. Now you can select your answers and give your feedback and so submit your survey. So your response was received. Now let me close this survey, and here it is my survey data. So my first response is price is worthy? No, and the customer is from Gujarat and it has given wonderful response, and survey will be saved to new sheet. So let me edit this survey. I want to also insert name of customer, name to text, and it is required. Click on to this save button to save, and my survey is created. Now if you want to share this survey like on social media or any other internet place, so using this share button you can share your survey as well. It will generate one link and you can share that link with the people, and it will fill up survey and you will get all the detail filled by customers here in this survey sheet. I am renaming it to restaurant survey. It seems like my spelling is incorrect, so I will right click on it and select correct spelling and click on to this OK button. So my sheet will be renamed to it. So this is how you can create survey and collect information. Thank you very much.